Okay, guys, this is a screencast for Thursday the 17th in English 9. We started class today with students, not you don't have to turn it in, but just a reminder that today your rough outline was due. And so if we click into the outline expectations, my hope is that I'm going to get to see a thesis statement and then your two or three ideas with regards to the prompt. Is one of these stories great or not, and why? And so hopefully that's kind of taken care of here with that submission. Like I said, you don't need to turn it in at this point, but I will go through there and get you the points for that. Today we talked about MLK's I Have a Dream. The speech was located here, and you guys should have read it for today. We basically dissected it. Using this Scopestone document here, which allows you to basically determine who the speaker or the writer is, the context, the big picture, the occasion. Why did MLK give this speech on the 28th of August, 1963? Who was he speaking to? And then what was his aim? And then what we did was we dissected this speech just section by section. What you find is he sets up a really nice thesis, really nice main idea in the end of the third paragraph, and after that he kind of breaks it into six pretty clear sections where he says in paragraphs 4 and 5, we want what was promised to us. In paragraphs 6 and 7, this is a really urgent situation. In paragraphs 8 through 10, we got to maintain our nonviolent approach. Paragraphs 11 through 15, he says we're not satisfied, and here's why. In paragraphs 16 to 24, he says over and over again, I have a dream, which is the beginning of his extemporaneous part of the speech. And then finally in paragraphs 25 to the end, he says let freedom ring over and over again, and that's kind of the main idea of the speech there. So we dissected that, just looking for key sections, key devices, key lines, and so on and so forth. I appreciate students who were involved with that. I'm sorry you weren't able to join us. Have a great day.